Welcome to MedFoxes 2 Minutes Rapid ECG Learning. Get ready for an accelerated learning experience as we unravel the complexities of ECG interpretation. In today's video, we'll be exploring what is an ECG. So grab your notebooks, and let's begin. The electrocardiogram is a special graph, representing cardiac electrical activity from one instant to the next. Specifically, the ECG provides a time voltage chart of the heartbeat. The ECG is a key component of clinical diagnosis and management of inpatients and outpatients because it may provide critical information. The device used to obtain and display the conventional 12-lead ECG is called the electrocardiograph, or more informally the ECG machine. It records cardiac electrical currents voltages, or potentials by means of sensors called electrodes, selectively positioned on the surface of the body. Contemporary ECGs are usually recorded with disposable paste, on adhesive silver chloride electrodes. For the standard ECG recording, electrodes are placed on the lower arms, lower legs, and across the chest wall, also called precordium. In settings such as emergency departments, cardiac and intensive care units and ambulatory monitoring, only one or two rhythm strip leads may be recorded. The letters P, Q, R, S, and T are used to label specific electrical activities that occur in the heart. These activities are captured and represented in an electrocardiogram. Each letter corresponds to a distinct event in the heart. This standardized system ensures consistent interpretation and communication of heart activity across medical literature and clinical practice. The development of the ECG began in the late 19th century and continued into the early 20th century. Here's a brief history of the invention of the ECG. In 1780, Luigi Galvani, his work laid the foundation for the understanding of bioelectricity, which later contributed to the development of the ECG. In 1887, Augustus Waller was credited with the first recording of a human electrocardiogram. In 1901, Willem Einthoven introduced the term electrocardiogram. Einthoven's invention allowed for more accurate measurements and paved the way for the clinical application of ECG. In 1915, Wilson Central Terminal, the system involved connecting the patient to a fourth limb lead, which improved the accuracy of ECG recordings. Over the years, advancements in ECG technology continued. In the 1930s, Frank N. Wilson introduced the precordial chest leads, which expanded the diagnostic capabilities of the ECG. In the 1940s, improvements in amplifiers and recording devices made ECG machines more compact and portable. That's it for today's Rapid ECG Learning session with MedFoxes. We hope you found this 2-minute sprint valuable, and that it enhances your understanding of ECG interpretation. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our Rapid ECG Learning series. Feel free to leave any questions or comments down below.